guys, I forgot my regular sunglasses because I sat on them and they're unfortunately broken. So every time I go camping, I bring my homemade reflectix. I like to put them on my windows in case people want to peek. Pretty cool. We made it to the forest of Samuel P. Taylor Park. Wow, I picked a great camp spot. This is number 18. Alright guys, you want to see my humble abode? I have a 3-inch foam mattress. On top is a rumple blanket. Then my Mountain Hardware sleeping bag. And then my gray blanket, which is quite warm actually. And then also this Japanese blanket. I don't know if I'm gonna sleep like this, particularly in this position. That's someone else's campsite. That's how they get to it. And I think I might, well, I just wanted to wake up, open the tent and listen to the roaring river that is actually a creek. Unfortunately, I can't get down to it. I'm not sure if it's swimmable. It kind of looks fun, but I think I may push my tent a little bit closer so that when I do wake up, I can see the water here. But then on the other hand, I don't want it to be too close to the fire pit. Okay, I've decided just to revamp my tent, so instead of sleeping like that, I'm just gonna flip it and done. I flipped it. Now that the tent is done, let's make some lunch. Look at the way that this egg sits. This one's better. I'm gonna try to make udon, which is udon noodles and some vegetables and some chicken. But first, we need to cut the vegetables. Check out my new camp knife by GSI Outdoors. I got this because there are 3 knives, a cutting board, and then also this, a Sharpie die. So, I'm gonna pull out our cutting board, and I'm just gonna go with this knife. Seems like a nice knife. Oh, it's serrated. Never mind, that's not what I need. Maybe the small one. Ooh, fancy. Wow, it's a very sharp knife. Whoa. Whoa. Dang, did you hear that? Dang, you guys want some carrot cake? No? Bad joke? Okay, that's a good carrot. Alright, so we got our vegetables down, our rice pouches. Wow. I've never seen it like this. Oh, there's a rice cake within the pouch. Amazing. Okay, we're gonna use one. I try to cut this chicken. I don't want to do it on my cutting board because raw meat. Nice. My noodles are in. I'm boiling the noodles, but I'm not going to drink the liquid. I find that when I boil udon, tomato, when I boil these noodles, the water gets really thick and I don't like it. So we're gonna add new water, place our vegetables back into the soup, or just keep it here, and then cook the chicken. I got a cone. This is my makeshift fire. I'm gonna do my nighttime routine. Can't even see anything. Lights out. Good morning, everyone. Let's make some oatmeal. What kind of bird is that? What? They didn't say hi to each other. We're gonna go to McClure's Beach Trail. Let's get some steps in. The park ranger drove by me and was like, "What are you doing?" And even though it's 59 now, I'm gonna put on a sun protection. Alright guys, I'm like decked out. Just want to chill at the beach. I hope it's not too cold when I get there. I'm wearing shorts. The highest it'll be today is 67. So it's a big deal. Look at the wildflowers. They're two-toned. Why is nobody here? Why am I the only one here? Hello? Is anybody home? If anyone has a message for me, I'll be right here. Send mail here. Thank you. There is nobody here except for 2 people on the far left side. And the weather is so great here. It actually feels like summer. Summer! Hey guys, I've been sitting here guarding the beach for about 30 minutes and only one person has come. When a local photographer. There's only 3 people, 4 including me, on this beach, and it's 11:40. I'm just wondering where are all the people? When will all the people come? Hey everyone, I'm at Kehoe Beach, opening in Orange. I think after I take a nap here, drink some water, I'm gonna go to Palace Market and get a large buffalo milk soft serve. I did that yesterday and it was the bomb. Check out this orange. I left the beach and now I want to go here. Hey everybody, it's Laurie. I ate dinner and I wanted to get one last hike in before I leave tomorrow. So I'm at Bolinas Ridge. It's like 14 miles, but I think I'm only gonna do like half a mile and wait for the sunset. Ooh, you're in my photo. Good morning, everybody. It's 9 something. I slept in my car last night because it's pretty cold and I didn't feel like pitching my tent. So we're gonna go back into the Bay Area, but first, coffee. I am so tired.